Ceolfhoireann.
Gach luan, bíon clachta ceolfhoireann ar siúl sa scoil. Bíon gachtainna is sinnam ceol sa hala. Tá gach sais uirlise ar fáil. Tá flute, violin, piano, guitar, drummy, trumpa agus alán eile ann. Bíon ceolchoirm mhór an gach blian.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Cad a bhíonn ar siúl gach luan. Ceiste dó. Cad a bhíonn ar siúl sa hala. Ceiste trí. Cén sais uirlise atá ann. Ceiste cathair. An mín ceolchoirm mhór ann gach blian.
Ceolfhoireann means orchestra. Ceol means music and Fhoireann is a team, so it's a team of music. So that's where we get the word orchestra from. So gach luan, every Monday, bíonn clochta Ceolfhoireann ar siúl sa scoil. There's a orchestra practice ar siúl going on in the school. Bíonn gach duine ag shenam ceol sa hala. So everybody is ag shenam ceol, playing music sa hala, in the hall. Tá gach sais, there's every sort of uirlise ar fáil. There's every sort of instrument to be gotten. There's a flute, violin, piano, guitar, drums, trumpets, and a lot of other things. Bíonn ceolchoirm mhór, there's a big concert. More is big. Ann gach blian. There's a big concert here every year.